What's up guys, my name is Kahan and today we're going to be doing a little video on my dad's 1927 Ford Model T. So let's take a look. Alright, so the name of the car, as you can tell, is Bad News. It was pinstriped by Van. He works at Hot Wheels. And they must have done it like a long time ago because I was a little kid. Have you ever seen the ride show on this car? I'm a little kid and I say hot rod. So in the back we have a 15 by 10 inch American racing wheel, real magnesium, something I want to do to my car one day. They just look so sick. So up front we have a 15 by 4 inch Ford Steely. Nothing too crazy, but it creates the perfect drag stance for this car. We have an early 50s Oldsmobile motor. I don't know if it's canned, but it sounds like it. On the top we have 6 2-barrel carbs. These are the Stromberg 48s. Barely get into this car, it's insane. Alright, so in the interior it's pretty simple in terms of gauges. You only have your oil pressure, temperature, and feel. But we do have a lot of fake gauges going on here. Some panic buttons, speedo, and then I don't even know what this gauge is, but it's destroyed. I don't know. These decals aren't lasting up. A lot of switches. We have a cool shifter up here. It's a 3-speed. My dad really makes you reach for it. That's not like my car. Not very performance based. So we got some great wood floors. They're perfect for when the engine blows up. Definitely protects you from everything. There are some holes. I can definitely see the ground from here. It allows you to see better while driving. Also, great safety feature with the transmission right next to your foot. Anything happens, I mean, you're probably fine. You might lose your feet or something. Not a lot of hole visibility out of the car. You have a very small window. It's made of plexiglass. Steering wheel's from a boat. We also have a dual bowl brake master cylinder. Great for safety, but then I don't get why we have wood floors. I don't know. Safety, not safe, some safety. I don't know what's going on here. Gas tank in the back, which is also really safe, but I guess it looks cool, it shows. And you can see the freaking suspension in the back too. It's not even covered up or anything. I don't know if this is really a performance car, but it sure is a hot rod. A little backstory on this car is my dad's grandpa found it in the back of a flower shop, early 70s, and then they didn't really do much with it, just took the body, left it in the backyard, painted it yellow so it didn't rust. And then, I don't know how long ago it was, but when I was a little kid, they did a show on the Rides channel of building the car with my dad's car club, Burbank Choppers. Chopped it and did everything to it, but it was quite the transformation. All right, let's go take it for a spin.